Hello friends, welcome to IAS Kannada Vahini. As usual, we are continuing with the question analysis of IAS 2020 preliminary examination, that is mainly on Indian economy. Today's question is that is on road investment on road highway project. So I will read out the question first. Consider the following statements regarding the investment in road construction. So the first statement is in EPC, that is engineering, procurement and construction model, no risk for undertaking company and asset is owned and operated and maintained by government authority. Whereas in the second statement, that is PPP mode or model, public private partnership involves sharing of the risks and returns from the investment are shared, that is from the road project are equally shared. So which of the above statements are correct? First statement, second statement, both are correct and both are incorrect. First, I will explain some of the bare facts about the investment models in the road construction. That is from 2002 onwards. That is from, you can say like NDA government headed by Atal Bihari Vajpayee. From that period onwards, this road construction has gained more prominence in the Indian economy. It is considered as one of the infrastructure project. Already we have seen like Golden Quadrilateral project connecting Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Calcutta and Delhi. And also corridor project that is connecting Jammu Kashmir to Kanyakumari and also like Porbandar to northeast. These are the corridor projects. Thereafterwards, almost each year, it receives almost a major investment, not only from the domestic players, even from the foreign players. Foreign players, you can say like the most of the companies from like Japan, Russia, and also like China, even Thailand, etc. They are participating. So while participating in the project, the government has announced two types of models. One is EPC model, another one is PPP model. EPC already I have given like in the question itself, engineering, procurement and construction. Here the company which is involved in the EPC will not have the owned or operated or maintained by the government. I mean it doesn't have any role as far as the asset owning, operation, etc. It is purely the government owned, whereas the rest of the things are done by the private companies. Whereas in the second, the name itself suggests that both public companies means from the government sector as well as the private sector equally participate in the project, and also any risk or any return from the investment are equally shared according to their contribution. That is the second one. So if we consider both the statements, we can say like the both are correct. That is C is the answer. That is first and second statement are correct. Then coming to the terms explained here, bolt and boot. Bolt means build, own, lease and transfer, or build, operate, lease and transfer. Boot means build, own, operate and transfer. So these are the two, you can like kind of short terms used for investment models. Whereas Bolt is the good example for, you can say like Kempegowda International Airport in Bangalore. The private company has built the airport and it is operating, and also it can lease to some other company for fixed period, maybe like say 30 years, etc. Then it can transfer. So that is what we call like Bolt. In Boot also the same thing may happen. Build and you own the, you can select asset and operate, and then you can transfer. Both can happen. So this is how like the, you can say like kind of the road investment, road constructions are going on. So from the examination point of view, the investment models are very important, and also the nitty gritty of the, you can say like investment, that also one should know.